very much. It's like so classy. You guys, this is the top and it's so guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then hi, this is Rangita Kiliju. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys my cute collections of Pinteresty find stuff from Misho that do under budget, and I'm gonna show you guys my footwear too. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. So guys, first we're gonna start with my very Pinteresty top from Misho, which is this. So ta-da guys, this is my very cute Pinteresty top finds from Misho, and you can see that this top is absolutely Pinteresty top guys. Just look at the top. It's so beautiful, and I got this top at 306, and the size I have more order it's in M size, I guess. Yeah, it's in M size guys. So this is a perfect Pinteresty find tops from Misho. You can see that this top, the design, everything is so Pinteresty. That the color of the top is so Pinteresty, like the white and the red combination color is so great. I love this top very much. You can see that here it has this puffy thing here and this, and then here it has one two cut. So this is how it looks. So it has got some space in between of this area and here too. So this is how this top look. So guys, I love this top very much. Like I don't have any regrets buying this top because this is a perfect Pinteresty top, and I think they have also provided many different colors in this same top, so make sure to check this top before it runs out of stock. So guys, my another Pinteresty top finds from Misho is this gorgeous Pinteresty top guys. Ta-da! So this is my another Pinteresty top finds from Misho, and I love this top very much. Again, it's so Pinteresty, a perfect Pinterest top guys. Just look at the design, the color, everything is so Pinteresty. The lace thing here is so beautiful, and even you will get lace here, and even in the bottom of this top you will get this lace. So I love this top very much, and it has some design here. See, like it's in this bow shape. The designs are in bow shape, so I love this thing very much. And the best thing about this top is that this area guys, you can see in my first top which I've shown you there, they have not provided, like they have provided some space here, and in this top you will not get any space, which is a great thing. And I got this top at 300 something, and the size I've ordered, again it's in M size, I guess. Yeah, it's in M size. So again guys, you guys will get different color in this top. Like they have provided so many alternative colors in this top, so make sure to check out this top too before it runs out of stock guys. And guys, my another Pinteresty top from Misho is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is the top, and it's so beautiful guys. I've been waiting to buy this top since very long time. Like मैं जब भी इसे खरीदने के लिए करती हूँ तो ये हमेशा आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है. Finally I got this top, and it's so beautiful. I love this top very much. You can see that the design, everything is so great, like बहुत ही सुंदर है. Let me show you. So basically this is how it looks. So this is the overall design of this top. Take a look. So this is how it looks. So you have to tie this and this too. इसे बांध कर ही पहनना पड़ेगा. And then वहाँ पे tie करके here you will get this space जहाँ पे design बहुत ही सुंदर सा नजर आएगा. You can see in this picture. So this is again a very beautiful Pinteresty top from Misho, and I got this top at 400 something, and the price I've ordered is in large size. So I don't think this top is in stock for now. Like ये बहुत ही ट्रेंड पे है, and बहुत जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है. बट इसका अल्टरनेटिव कलर पे तो स्टॉक पे था. So I'm gonna update that alternative colors of the links too. But I will see अगर इसका भी link available होता है. I'm sure I'm gonna update the link. And for guys, this top, it's so beautiful. You can see that this is the design of this hand area of the top. It's so beautiful, like थोड़ा सा rosy rose type का design है. So this is how it looks. So I love this top again very much. It's like great for this summer since it's full sleeve and very light weighted top. So yeah, I love this top very much guys. And the last top we have from Misho is this very cute top guys. Ta-da! So this is my another very Pinteresty top from Misho. I love this top very much. Again, you can see that the design is so Pinteresty. I like the design, and the color of the top is so beautiful. Like you can see that the color is in blue, like which is so great. And this is how the design of this hand area look. And this is from the front side. Here you can see that it has got these two stripes which you have to tie it, and then this is how it looks. So yeah, I love this top very much. Again, I got this top at uh, 3 to 400 around only, and the size I've ordered it's in large size, I guess. So you can see that here it has no size. So yeah, it's in large size, I guess. But the problem with this top is that I got a little defected one. Here you can see that baby chanda hai, and then even in the back area I've seen some areas. See, this is how it looked like. I got a defected one, I think. So yeah, because of all this issue, I'm gonna return this one because you can see that यहाँ पे ऐसे चंदा वगैरह भी है. ये steam तो like wash करने से चला भी जाएगा. Maybe I'm not sure, but the this thing ये चंदा इसे wash कर तो भी नहीं जाएगा. So I think I'm gonna return this one. Not think I'm gonna return this one. But guys, it's again a very beautiful, a must have top for this summer since it's this full sleeve and so lightweighted, which is so great for the summers. And guys, I've also said key I will show you my shoe collections, not collections. It's just one pair of shoe, which is this. Ta-da! So this is my brand new JM Lux ब्रांड से ये मैंने खरीदा है. दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. अगेन मुझे ये बहुत ही समय से चाहिए था एंड आई थॉट लाइक कि इस टाइप का ब्रांड का लेने से थोड़ा क्वालिटी वाइज भी थोड़ा अच्छा पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैंने ऑर्डर किया है इसे. एंड आई लव दिस वन वेरी मच. इट्स लाइक सो क्लासी. यू कैन सी दैट the design, everything, the overall look of this is so beautiful. See, it has got little platform here, which is great. And again, then it has like this thing. So this is the best thing about this shoe is that ये ना बिल्कुल भी स्लिपरी नहीं है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा है. कोई कोई वाला जो होता है प्लेन वाला जो बहुत स्लिपरी होते थे तो हमें बहुत चांसेस होते हैं गिरने के लिए. एंड आई एम सो क्लमजी. ओके, मैं कहीं भी इधर उधर गिर जाती हूँ. सो आई थॉट कि आई नीड इन समथिंग जो मुझे प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, ना गिरे, मैं पहन के कंफर्टेबली मैं पहन के चल सकूँ. सो या आई हैव ऑर्डर दिस वन एंड I got this at 749 something and the size I've ordered it's in 38. तो ये मैंने वेबसाइट से ही ऑर्डर किया है, बट ये मिंत्रा पे भी मिलेगा. सो आई विल अपडेट द लिंक ऑफ दिस वन टू. एंड हाँ गाइस, मैं बताना भूल गई कि इस टाइप काला मीशो पे भी मिलेगा और डिफरेंट टाइप्स काला भी मिलेगा मीशो पे. सो इफ यू गर्ल्स आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक पम शूज, क्या कहते हैं इसे, मैं भूल गई, देन मीशो से ले लेना, वहाँ पे भी अच्छा ही है. So guys, these are my collections of my one pair of shoe and then Pinteresty find tops from Misho. Do let me know which one you guys like the most and make sure to subscribe my channel. And as usual, links are in the description box पे मिल जाएंगे. So bye.